Yes. Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, guys. My name is Siphesihle Musawenkosi Mpembe, but in short, you can just call me Sphe. How's that? Guys, I'm very much excited, guys. You can even see my smile. Look at my smile. Right, so if you love my smile, just comment, I love it. Parts of speech are words that are joined together to form a sentence. Are words that are joined together to form a sentence. So a sentence is made up of words, right? So there is a letter, there are words, and there is a sentence, there is a paragraphs, there is a book, so on and so on, right? So for you to have a sentence, you must have words, right? So each and every word is represented or representing a certain part of speech. For an example, the boy kicks the ball. The boy kicks the ball. There are how many words there? The boy kicks the ball. I think there are 5 words. The boy kicks the ball, right? 5 words, right? So those 5 words, each and every, the word the is representing a certain part of speech. Boy is representing a certain part of speech. So on and so on. So all those words, all those 5 words making a sentence are representing a part of speech. Are we still together, guys? If we are still together and are making sense to you, please comment yes underneath there. Right, so what are these parts of speech? I'm going to just mention them today. And on the next video, right, I'll be taking one of the list and explaining to you what is it, right? So in the part of speech, the first part of speech that we have, number 1, is a noun. Are you writing it down? Number 2 is a verb. Number 3 is an adverb. Number 4 is an adjective. Number 5 is a pronoun. Number 6 is a preposition. Number 7 is a conjunction. And the last one, number 8, is an article. Right? Are you putting that in here? Right? We said parts of speech are the words joined together to form a sentence, right? And we said the first part of speech is a noun. The second part of speech is a verb. The third one is an adverb. The fourth one is an adjective. The fifth one is a pronoun. The sixth one is a conjunction. The seventh one is a preposition. And the last one is an article. So if you got that one, please make sure that you comment and say, yes, I got it. Yes, I am having it. Yes, I am writing it down. So make sure that you call your friends, to call their friends to come and stay on this channel. So thank you very much, guys. That is it for today, the part of speech. On the next video, I'll be taking each part of speech or taking one of these part of speech and explaining them to you. What is it? How do you apply them on your sentences? And then how to apply them on your sentences? And the examples that we have of each and every part of speech. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.